my channel and thanks for viewing my video. This is Bluetooth remote shutter. Unboxing a Bluetooth remote shutter. You can see it. Very portable. So I remove it. There is it. This is Bluetooth remote shutter. Remote shutter. Sorry. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks like. Can you see it? This is how it looks like. So it's very easy to use for iOS and Android. By taking picture to start a video, and you also work with increasing the volume of the phone. So it has many features within. So just to on your Bluetooth, and that is all. Let me on it. You can see it's on. Let me off it. Let me on it again. And in case maybe you bought this or you purchased this and it's not working for you, I think the solution, the problem might be, it may be from the battery here. You can see from the battery here. It can be from the battery here. You can just check it. What you have to do is just change the battery. You can just change the battery. So it's very simple. Just change the battery, that's all. So this is all about Bluetooth remote shutter. It's very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. So that's all about Bluetooth air shutter. I want to show you that. And if you want to purchase, you want to get this, you can contact me. My WhatsApp number is below this video. Contact me to get this particular Bluetooth air shutter. I will refer it to someone. Yeah, it's very good, very nice. Thank you.